Hi everyone, it's Started on Health. Today we'll be having discussion on body detoxification. Body detoxification. Body detoxification is simply the process of removing unwanted substances in the body that adds toxins to the body. These toxins are dangerous to the body system, and research has shown that in our daily lives we are exposed to 700,000 toxins in a day. 700,000 toxins in a day, from our cosmetic products to our daily lifestyle to our perfumes that we wear. You'll be so surprised. Yes, perfume that we wear. There are so many other things that we are exposed to that are toxins to the body that we are not aware of. So as a result of this, there is need for us to detoxify our body system regularly. There is no how we can run away from these toxins. We use them every day. We are exposed to them every day. So as a result, there is no how we can run away. Instead, we can minimize our exposure, but it can never be eradicated totally. But we can minimize our exposure to these toxins. As a result of these toxins in the body system, there is probability that your body will not function the way it ought to. There's probability of you experiencing migraine headache. There's probability of you being allergic to some things. There's probability of you being prone to some diseases. So there are so many other risks that these toxins in your body can expose you to, unaware to you. You see why it is important and necessary and very good for you to detoxify your body system. Personally, before now, I have allergy. I don't have any underlying ailments. So how come I'm expressing this? Going to the hospital, nothing can be traced to it. Only for me to detoxify my body system without taking anything. Only for me to detoxify my body system. And I found out that I am whole completely. I am whole completely. So you never can tell the stress you are experiencing, the depression you are experiencing, the anxiety you are experiencing, the headache you are experiencing may be as a result of harmful chemicals that are called toxins in your body. Are you aware that if you are trying to lose some weight and you did not detoxify your body system, there's probability that it might not work? There's probability that your results might be slow. So body detoxification, it is very good. There are so many methods that you can use to detoxify your body. But I'm going to talk about one method today. Use physiological method or use medicinal method. But personally, I prefer physiological method. So I'm going to be discussing about one method that I have used personally that did not cost me anything to get. It did not take away much from me to get, and it worked very well for me. This fruit in my hand is called bitter melon. Bitter melon is good for body detoxification. This is what I took that worked for me like wonder. This is what I took that worked for me like wonder. Not only does it good for body detoxification, it also reduces sugar level. It aids weight loss process. Yes, it aids weight loss process. So this is how it's being used. Where you get it, you can, and it doesn't cost much. Let me say that it doesn't cost much. When you can even have it at the back of your house, and you will not know that it's very important that it works wonder to the body system. So this is how it's worked. When you get it, wash it clean, get a clean pot, cut it into pieces, put it in your pot, add your clean water, put it on fire for a while. Then get the water out and throw away the particles and start drinking half a cup in the morning on empty stomach, half a cup at night, 2 hours after meal. Then you see the wonders it will do to your system. And let me tell you that you will run toilets. Yes, you will run toilets. So know that when you take it, you must have access to your toilet. Try it and tell me your results. I hope this video helped you. I hope you learn one or two things from this video. Bye.